Hi, I'm Bianca Resnikov, and we're at the Cape Town Convention Centre to cover the Design Indaba conference. It's fast becoming known as the creative conference of the year, and design thinkers and creative leaders from across the globe have flocked here to share their ideas and to inspire us to use design to make a better world. Our next speaker is multi-award-winning designer Thomas Heatherwick. He's become known as the design world's Leonardo da Vinci, and he's also been commissioned to design Cape Town's first contemporary museum, in fact Africa's first contemporary museum, the Zeitz MOCAA. We're so excited that you have been commissioned to design the Zeitz MOCAA in Cape Town. What is the inspiration behind the design, and tell us a bit about what we can expect.
The building had billions of grains of corn that went through that building over almost a century, and we're just carving a single shape of a single piece of grain in the heart of it. You won't be able to see that from the outside. From the outside, it's the amazing thing is the building itself, with the paint peeled off and then sealed, but inside, the heart that will connect. There's actually two buildings, and we're creating a heart space that will be how you move around, where the staircases and elevators, and where you gather and can see where you need to get to. That space will be just one piece of carving through these tubes, which makes this the patterns that makes. That are kind of aren't designed by us. They're the patterns that happen when you cut one form inside a collection of concrete tubes. But engineering-wise, that's a huge challenge. But we've got a very tight budget. It's going to be raw, but the building is raw. That's sort of its beauty.
You talk about every project being an invention. How did you apply this concept to an iconic structure like the London bus?
We were not trying to be inventive. We were trying to, first of all, analyse what was wrong with the contemporary bus experience. It sounds funny, and then from there we were trying to make a bus that would use 40% less energy, that would have 3 doors instead of 1, 2 staircases instead of 1, to allow the buses to be more reliable, because people can load and unload, the driver can load and unload passengers in a more consistent time frame. And so it's kind of things, there's a little domino effect where one line of thought and sort of philosophy leads you to the solution.
What advice do you have for young emerging architects and designers?
I think it's just, you shouldn't just do design because you want to be one. It should be because you can see a gap. You can think, why is nobody doing that? And that motivated me to set up to start off with. And when there doesn't feel something that the studio can offer, a gap that needs filling, like why is no one doing, then I'll close the studio. That's what motivates us, is to feel you're making a difference.